Hello everyone, this is the back testing session. Today is 3rd November, Monday 2025. This is the buy side liquidity, initially buy side liquidity, and this is the sell side liquidity. Price is here. This is your entry. This is the first presentation P Valley gap. This is the inversion P Valley gap. You take entry from here. Here is the you take as the inversion P Valley gap, and that is the sell side liquidity. It's left, so it's touch over here around 10:30. Then after its replacement, why I want to target this sell side liquidity? Because if you see the RTS means regular trading hours on Monday, 3rd November. Third November is here. You can check there is the 0.5 CE. Price is coming back to the CE. Why? Because this opening range gap. After market open, its opening range gap, market is filled 50%. Then if he want to replacement, then he can replace from here. But this day, this is the sell side liquidity is touched there. Then after price is moving to be a buy side. This is the Tuesday, 4th November 2025. Price is moving first. This is sell side liquidity. There is the initially sell side liquidity before market open. There is the once it's touch over here. That is the replacement. This inversion P Valley gap, you can take the entry. This is the buy side liquidity. Once it's reached there is the initially buy side. This also you can take partially profit you want to book is here. This is also initially buy side liquidity. You can take partially profit you book here. Then after my target is buy side liquidity. There is the first presentation P Valley gap is here. You can take as an inversion P Valley gap also. And you can see the regular trading hours. There is the 4th November. Yes, he's here. You can check fifth retracement. There is opening gap is here 0.5, but price is not touch over there. There is the taking buy side. Then after it's moving to a sell side. So RTH is very powerful. There is the like a magnet. 0.5 CE is a magnet. So it's not reach over here and going to be a sell side. That is the 4th November. 5th November 2025. That is the Wednesday. There is the initially sell side liquidity is here. This is the buy side liquidity. Price is come to a sell side liquidity first. It's touch over here, and then there is the replacement. This first presentation P Valley gap you take as the inversion P Valley gap. This is you also take as the inversion P Valley gap, and price is going to be a buy side. And in RTH regular trading hours you can check also no gap on 5th. 6th November 2025, Thursday. That day I took buy side, but I got loss. This P Valley gap I want to see as an inversion P Valley gap, but not make it an inversion P Valley gap, and price come to P Valley gap and going back to a sell side. This first presentation P Valley gap I call charming P-Valley gap. Once price is coming back to his and going back to a down, this time I want to take the entry. This also you can check. This is the inversion P-Valley gap. This P-Valley gap also you want to take the entry. Here also have inversion P-Valley gap. There is the 1 minute chart and there is a continuous sell side. This day my target is, there is a 0.5 CE here. Here is the point CE, but the target is not done and price is going to be a sell side. This day I took loss on morning, but when I see the clean setup, I take the entry and I got a profit. That's how I trade every day. 7th November 2025, Friday. This P-Valley gap I want to see as inversion P-Valley gap. This is the sell side liquidity. Once done, then I want to see price is replacement to a buy side liquidity is here. But price is moving to be a sell side. First presentation P-Valley gap rejected 2 times, 1 and 2, and price is, see here there is the 50% open and price touch to a middle of the P-Valley gap and going to be a sell side. This Friday also I took 2 losses on morning, but lunchtime I take that entry from here and I book my profit is here, so I take my losses cover. And this day also I want to see the regular trading hours. There is the 50% is left is here. That's why I took the buy side liquidity. I want to take profit here 0.5 CE, but that day price is moving to be a sell side, but end of the day price is coming back to a 0.5 CE. That's how I trade every day. Join me on Discord. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Educational video for beginners, step by step, coming out from tomorrow. Every day I trade live 9:30 a.m. New York time. Backtesting is required because it helps you find and fix your mistakes. When you review past trades, you see what went wrong, what worked, and where your strategies need improvement. That's how you grow as a trader, by learning from data, not emotion.